Today I'm gonna talk about the most undervalued AI stock you probably don't know about. Welcome back to a new video. I am the Italian investor and today we talk about TeamViewer. This is a German company and its core business is remote access. You probably know it, everyone knows the company, but you probably don't know much about the stock, which is getting absolutely wrecked by the market. Recently it popped a little bit after the earnings report, but the stock has been plunging since years. Despite numbers are getting better, the company makes a lot of money and revenues are growing always. The stock recently plunged because of the announcement of a big acquisition. They're gonna acquire 1E. This is a leading DEX platform that delivers real-time visibility on enterprise IT landscapes, promptly identifying issues as they arise and automating remediation directly on the endpoint. They paid a high price for a company which generates revenues of 77 million US dollars. But in my opinion, and in the management's opinion, this acquisition can create some interesting synergies and can give the company new room for growth in future years. TeamViewer is going to be very important for smart factories and the use of AI, because remote access is going to be very useful, for example, to handle robots. It's gonna be really important. And 1E can offer an easy way to handle IT services, IT products, without the use of people, of IT departments. Because 1E is capable of fixing problems without a human intervention. 1E is really small, but it already works with 1/3 of the Fortune 100. And Gartner believes that 1E is the number 2 company in the DEX management tools. The value creation of this acquisition is probably gonna be pretty great in the next 5 to 10 years, and it could help TeamViewer accelerate revenue growth. And keep in mind that TeamViewer is already growing pretty well. As you can see, revenues expanded a lot in the past few years. For the next 5 years, analysts expect the company to grow revenues at a slower pace. They expect it to grow at around 6% per year, without considering the effects of the 1E acquisition. The company's EBIT margin is top tier at around 30%. This is probably the level they can achieve in the next 5 years. They are gonna have a little bit of a negative effect in the next 2 to 3 years from 1E, but then probably they are gonna get back to around 30 to 33% EBIT margin. And right now the stock is trading at a forward price earnings ratio below 10 and at a next 12 months price to free cash flow of 6.5. These are laughable levels for a company which is growing and is extremely profitable. They are not gonna do buybacks for a couple of years until they pay off the debt from the 1E acquisition, but then they're gonna get back at buying back shares, probably pretty hard with the free cash flow generation they can create in the next few years. Let me know what you think about TeamViewer, type a comment, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like. See you next time. Bye!